In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up deal stages in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to optimize your sales process, setting up deal stages is a crucial step to help manage your sales pipeline effectively. Let's dive right in and make sure you're all set up for success. First, you need to navigate to the settings. To do this, click on the settings icon located in the top navigation bar of your HubSpot dashboard. This icon typically resembles a gear, symbolizing the gateway to all your customization options within the platform. Once you're in the settings area, you have access to a variety of options that allow you to tailor HubSpot to fit your specific needs. Next, let's access the pipeline section. In the left sidebar menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the objects category. Under objects, click on deals. This will bring up a new set of options, and from here, you should click on the pipelines tab. The pipelines tab is where all the magic happens when it comes to setting up and managing your deal stages. It's your control center for the sales process, allowing you to visualize and organize your workflow in a way that makes the most sense for your team. Now you have a choice to make. You can either select an existing pipeline or create a new one. If you already have a pipeline in place that you'd like to work with, simply choose it from the drop-down menu. This option is great if you're looking to refine or reorganize your current sales stages. However, if you're starting fresh or need a separate pipeline for a new product or service, click on Create Pipeline. This allows you to build a pipeline from scratch, tailored to your specific sales process and objectives. Each of these steps is designed to ensure that your deal stages are set up in a way that aligns with your business goals and sales strategy. By organizing your deal stages effectively, you can streamline your sales process, improve communication with your team, and ultimately drive more sales. Remember, the goal is to create a clear and logical flow from the initial contact with a potential customer all the way through to closing the deal. And there you have it. Setting up deal stages in HubSpot is an essential part of managing your sales pipeline and can greatly enhance your ability to track and close deals efficiently. By following these steps, you're now equipped to customize your pipeline to best fit your team's needs. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial, and I hope it's helped you get your deal stages up and running smoothly. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources on HubSpot or reach out for support. Happy selling!